Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're digging into the top 5 best AUN mini projectors that are all about bringing cinematic experiences right to your space. I know we all want to make smart choices, so let's dive into what these projectors have to offer and see if they fit into our lives. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description below to explore further. Just a quick note, this list is crafted based on personal insights, considering ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more to help you make the best decision. Let's get started. Number 5, we have the AUN Z5S Mini Projector, a versatile choice for any home entertainment setup. It boasts a max resolution of 4K, giving you high-quality visuals on a screen size ranging from 40 to 200 inches. The projector is powered by Android TV OS and supports Bluetooth 5.0 for easy connectivity with other devices. With a brightness of 9,000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 2001, it ensures clear and vibrant images, even in dimly lit rooms. Its 1.0 kilograms weight makes it portable, and the projector also comes with HDMI, USB, and Wi-Fi support. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or hosting presentations, this projector has the features to make it all work. Overall, it's a solid and affordable option for anyone looking for a quality home theater experience. Number 4 is the AUN AA04 Pro Mini Projector, which brings a more advanced set of features. This model also offers a 4K max resolution and boasts a bright 9,000 lumens, ensuring stunning visuals for any viewing experience. One standout feature is the electric focus correction, which ensures sharper images with minimal effort. The projector's Android TV OS offers a seamless interface for streaming and apps, while Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility lets you connect your devices effortlessly. It weighs 2.1 kilograms, which is slightly heavier than the Z5S, but it remains portable enough for easy relocation. With a projection size of 40 to 200 inches, it's versatile and can suit various room sizes and needs. It's perfect for those who want a more feature-packed projector without compromising on quality or portability. Number 3, we have the AUN A32 Mini Projector, which delivers great performance in a compact design. It has a 1280 by 720 resolution, which is ideal for casual viewing and entertainment. The projector supports projection dimensions ranging from 40 to 150 inches, making it versatile for different spaces. A contrast ratio of 2001 and auto keystone correction ensure you get sharp, high-quality images every time. It also features Bluetooth compatibility, allowing for easy connection to external speakers or devices. The AUN A32 is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 0.5 kilograms, making it one of the most portable options on the list. Whether you're setting it up for a movie night or a small presentation, it's easy to transport and set up for an enjoyable experience. Number 2 is the AUN U02 Mini Projector, which stands out with its impressive features. With 12,000 lumens of brightness, it delivers vibrant and crisp images even in well-lit environments. It supports 4K resolution, ensuring excellent picture quality on large screens. The projector also includes Android TV OS, making it a convenient choice for streaming and multimedia applications. Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi support enhance connectivity options, so you can easily link it with other devices. The AUN U02 can project from 1.5 to 8.4 meters, allowing for a wide range of projection distances. With a contrast ratio of 2500:1, it offers clear and sharp visuals, making it a top contender for those looking for high-quality performance in a mini projector. And finally, at number 1, we have the AUN A003 Mini Projector, which takes the top spot for its combination of features and portability. It offers a projection range of 50 to 130 inches, making it perfect for both intimate and larger viewing spaces. With a brightness of 5,000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 1,000:1 to 2,000:1, it provides great visuals in different lighting conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful product reviews and recommendations to help you make smart, informed decisions.